If you're using Monday AI, you're probably wondering, how many credits am I actually using? Which products are using the most amount of credits? Now, there's a new way to track all of this within Monday. So let me show you how you can do that. If we haven't met yet, my name is Tara. I'm the founder of a company called Simple Day. We're a Monday.com partner, and we've helped hundreds of companies get started with Monday.com. We do custom implementations. We do integrations with other tools, so that way you can seamlessly work with all your tools and data can flow back and forth. If you need any help either getting started with Monday.com or building on top of what you already have, then contact me and I'm happy to help. My contact information is in the description below. So let's jump in to see how Monday manages AI credits. In order to navigate to see the credit usage, you need to click on your avatar in the top right-hand corner and click on administration. Now, you probably need to be an admin in order to see this information. If I click on this option, AI usage, you can see that I have the option to see how many credits I have, my Vibe apps, my Notetaker, and my usage limits. If I click on credits, you can see that I have an overview showing me how many credits I've used. I can filter by date. If I scroll down, I can filter a breakdown by features, like I'm using 95% on AI blocks and 5% on workflows. If I continue to scroll down, I can see which users are using how many AI credits. And I see more information like the top 25 boards where you're using our credits for our blocks, different things like that to just get a greater understanding of how we're using all of our AI credits. If I go to my Vibe page, you can see it shows me how much time I saved, which is really nice, how many Vibe active users, how many published Vibes we have, and all of the information about the different Vibes and which board they are connected to. If I head to the Monday Notetaker, it shows me the Notetaker usage. So let's say I have 25 hours and I've only used 4 out of my 25 hours. Now, if I go to my usage limits, you can see that I can have different policies. So right now I'm at the default limit for every user in the account. But if I want, I have the option to be more specific about the limits per person. So I can click add limit policy. Sorry, I must have clicked it twice. And you can see here, I can decide for Rosa that let's just say I only want her to be able to use up 100 credits. I'm just going to delete this one. So now you can see how you can delete it if you don't need one. So you can see that everyone on my team doesn't have a limit, but Rosa has 100 credit limit out of my 4,000 credits. Now, this whole back end of the AI management in terms of how many credits is something that's relatively new to Monday. So I am sure that this is going to continue to be built out further because companies are going to need more and more control over how many credits each person is using and what they have access to. So this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more videos on this topic as we see Monday roll out new features. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon.